Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and I am up in Columbus. And a lot of people are asking, why am I deleting 5,000 realtors from our database here? The number one reason for this is accountability. And I want to make sure you understand why we're doing this. If you're seeing this, you may be one of them, but I am totally into helping real estate agents to grow their business. Obviously, the only thing I care about is making sure we make a meaningful impact in their career. I'm not interested in giving good advice or, well, he's a really good guy, or I picked up a couple of good tips. I'm only interested in creating a meaningful impact in their career. So what I found is I've done 350 videos, free training, tons of free information for realtors, and we've got a lot of realtors that have been following me for a couple of years now, and they're not really doing what they're supposed to do with their real estate business. So what happened is, if you haven't heard about this, my son just got licensed. He's 18 years old, so he's finally legal to get his real estate license, and I've created this program where I'm showing everyone exactly how I'm building his business. Well, here's why I'm deleting people. Because most of my training is pretty expensive, right? Our stuff creates a meaningful impact. We have ample numbers of agents doing over $500,000 a year in income, several doing over $1 million a year in income, and everybody started out struggling. Everybody sold their first deal. Everybody got to that position where they were struggling to begin with, and then they started doing better because they got the right type of training. So what I decided is I'm going to let everybody follow along and see how I'm building his business, and I'm all but giving it away. It's 10 videos in 10 days. I'm charging $150. So the way I look at it is, if I've had agents that I've been giving and giving and giving and giving, and I've been helping and helping and helping and helping, and they're not willing to invest $150 in their business, it's probably best we part ways and I block them. Because the fact is, here's how I look at it. Like, if you've been following me for a while and you haven't implemented anything to make real money, why do you want to learn more? And if you've been following me for a while and you haven't implemented anything to at least have $150 in your freaking bank account, then there's nothing that I can ever do for you that's going to help you. So from an accountability purpose, I owe it to you to let you find your happiness elsewhere. Hopefully that makes sense, right? So I certainly don't mean that in a cocky way or anything like that. I don't care about 150, but like, if I'm not worth $15 a video, 10 videos in 10 days, then it's probably best that you go find it elsewhere. So I think what you'll find is it's a very, very simple approach to generating business for yourself, and you can use totally free marketing to build the buyers and sellers that you're looking for. But until you can get to that point that you're ready to implement, this is all a complete waste. Why do you want to keep learning anything else? So I was just working out, as you might be able to tell here. I was just working out, and we have horrible shadows in this hotel and all that stuff. But I was really thinking about, like, all of these people that have followed me all this time, if they're not willing to invest $150 in their business, let's just not do it anymore. You know, I mean, like, I'm not going to push it to them. I'm not going to say, oh, you really should. I don't need to make a sale for $150. I want to create a meaningful impact. We get countless numbers of emails every single day from agents. I don't even know how to, I think I can show my screen on here. We just got one where the guy got a $1.7 million deal. I had one 3 days ago, an agent up in Chicago just listed a home for $1.6 million from the things that we're doing here. Every single day we get those testimonials from agents. If you don't want to move forward with your business, all of this is like masturbation, right? You're going nowhere with this. So what I'm doing is I've taken the reason I came up with this number, by the way, is because I've got 500 spots that I'm filling. You can get some details on that at letsgetsomeclosings.com. Probably in the description. I think it's this way. Is this where it's at? Letsgetsomeclosings.com. But what I'm doing is I took those 5,000 agents, been letting them know about this thing that's coming up, because I know 10% of them are going to sign up immediately. That gets the 500 people into the course that we're looking for. So when that happens, I know the 4,500 people that didn't, see you later, go find your happiness elsewhere. So that's kind of where we're at with it here. And again, I think, with everybody getting this much success, and many of you have heard our coaching retreats coming up, where agents are going to be showing what they're doing every single day. I want agents that truly want to create an impact in their own business, and they want to build a real retirement, and they're tired of making BS excuses for themselves. So you'll find, the bigger you go, I think there's 220,000 realtors that we have pixeled that have been watching our stuff. There's only 1 million of them in the country. So we've got like 31,000 that follow us on Facebook. 220,000 are pixeled, meaning they see our stuff all the time because they watch our stuff. And I've got a lot of agents that I can be helping, but let's be honest, there's a whole bunch of them that just don't want the help. They can have opportunity slap them in the face, and they're still going to make excuses for themselves. So anyway, for the agents that are going to be involved in that 500, I'm so excited to show you exactly what we're doing. You can see a video of me and my son at letsgetsomeclosings.com. I'll give you a little hint, by the way. Those of you that are on the email list, you're going to be getting a video tomorrow where I'm showing people, like, I don't really care about $100 and here's why. I think you're going to like this new video. It's just coming out tomorrow, so if you're on the email list, you're going to be getting that. But I think what you'll find is this is going to be incredibly helpful for you if you are involved with us. Again, if you've been following us for a while and all of a sudden you see that I disappear, you'll just know that it's time for accountability within your real estate business. I wasn't able to get you where you needed to be. It's time for you to find your path and blaze your own trail that way. So anyway, hopefully this is meaningful for you and inspirational to actually do something. Instead of learning more, you actually need to do more. I'm hoping that's what you're planning to do for yourself. So this weekend's coming up. You should at least list one house this weekend with totally free marketing. If you worked for my team and you didn't do that, we just let you go, because you have all of the access in the world. If you didn't go on appointments, it's because you're not trying. We are, no question, in the hottest real estate market that the United States has ever seen in the history of everdom. This is the hottest there's ever been. Inventory is at an all-time low. I don't care where you live right now, there's not enough houses for the buyers. That's the market we're in. You should be raking it in right now. If you're not, it's your fault. So anyway, 5,000 agents are finding out about this stuff. Let's get some closings.com. Is that what it is? I think I have it in my description here somewhere. Let's get some closings.com. I see a bunch of you commenting here. Sorry I wasn't paying attention. Glad to see you guys here as well. I know most of you already joined up with the 10-day deal here coming up. But anyway, glad to hear from you guys. I see Dina is here from Wesley Chapel, right where I live in New Tampa. I'm at my Ohio racehorses here for the weekend. But I'm in Wesley Chapel area as well. So glad to see you guys here. Thanks so much for joining. This weekend, you should be selling some houses. If you're not, let's get some closings.com. I think you'll find it very helpful. Go out there, do something big for yourself. Do something big for your family. This weekend could be really big for you. I want to inspire you to go out there and do something big. If I can help you in any way, let me know. Otherwise, we'll talk to you very soon. Make sure you follow our page. Turn on notifications. Do it right now. Follow our page. Turn on notifications. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.